Halloween last year, I solved a 2x2 in exactly 6.66 seconds.
Yes!
This year for Halloween, I'm gonna go one step further and solve it in precisely 6.666 seconds. 3 decimal places. However, I'm gonna give myself a few handicaps. Firstly, the cube that I'm using has to be black plastic. And as you can see, I'm using a GDW. Yes, I know the internals are primary, but like there's a black outline, so that's pretty good. And the second one is I have to start on the orange face every time. Now, why have I picked those two color related handicaps? Well, it's black and orange, those are the two colors of Halloween. Without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, I've got a wonderful background. I've changed it to orange and black because you know it's Halloween. But without further ado, I think let's just get into it. Last year, it took me 36 tries to get 2 decimal places. So let's see how many times it takes me this year. And funnily enough, 36 is 6 times 6. Alright. I have to start on the orange face no matter what. Okay.
8 seconds.
12
seconds.
Oh, I'm an idiot. Well, I forgot that I was doing this challenge, so I just did it like that. So I can wait for the timer. Ooh, 668. So I can always just wait for the timer to get to 666 and I'll try to stop on the right time. The bad thing about the stack mat is you guys can't see what the time is on here. Like last year when I did it on the keyboard, you could see the time counting, but now it's kind of like you kind of have to wait until I show you. Oh god, white looks really easy, but I have to use orange. It's sad.
8 seconds.
Okay.
12 seconds.
Oh! 6668. So if I was doing the challenge last year, that would have got it, but I'm 0.002 off. Yeah, I'm just not gonna overthink this. Oh what? Oh no, I had made to put my hand on here. Oh, that actually was nice. 667. Got a lot of those last year. Oh wait, that's easy GKs. 665. Oh, 665 again. I need to get as many times. What I use? No. Oh, I'm just don't want to overthink it. Just go for it. Oh no! Okay, thank God. I thought I did the wrong way. Oh, 669. Oh no! Wait. Oh, come on, that's actually trash. Oh my God. Oh, give myself a trash scrambler. Okay. 657. I remember Adrian doing this in the Oceanic League. He actually got like 6666.
Did positive? Oh, another
No kidding.
POL skip.
Oh,
666.
I hope I can just somehow get this early, because if I still haven't got it and it's like later, then I don't know if I'll be able to focus. Oh. 660. 662. 6622. And before I got 6600, so does this mean I'll get 6644 now? 665. Oh no, I accidentally started the timer again. 480. What the hell does it? What? No, come on, that's unfair. It's not fair. There's a solid easy one. What? Hang on. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna have to try to scramble after. Oh, 667. Oh, come on, not again. Oh my gosh. Come on, 669. Six, 2. I should have done that. I'll do it. Actually, I have an idea. Oh, that would have been so hilarious. I got that. To be honest, I don't even know if I'll get it. Oh, the 3 should turn to a 6. Oh wait, what? No, I thought I solved it. I genuinely thought I'd solved it. I probably did the algorithm wrong. Oh, 6543. Okay, this is the 66th attempt. And if I don't get this, if I don't get it here, I should have a break. Because, of course I messed it up. Okay, that wasn't a proper attempt. Okay, a 67. 665. Alright, I'm gonna take a break for now. Okay, it's actually been quite a bit since I last solved, and within that break, this happened, which I was not expecting at all. So thanks, Maxime, for that. Alright, let's see. Can I do this? 661. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I quit, because there's no way I'm doing this tomorrow. 662. Oh, yes! Let's go! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, let's go! Let's go! God, I honestly did not expect that at all. That took 76 tries. That honestly came out of nowhere. I only got 1666 2 decimal places before that. And this is the second time I got a 6.66, and it just happened to be another 6 after. It was very unexpected, which is why I had a massive reaction. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, really fun to make. I'm really grateful that it didn't go on for any longer, because if I hadn't got that, I'd probably still be doing this. And let me know, if you've ever tried this before, how many attempts did it take you? It must have been a lot. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.